welcome back to Let's Get Cooking. Today we're gonna make some fruit salad. So we need to have our kids' favorite fruits, right? So I've got some grapes here, my clementines, apples, or some raisins for a little bit of a different texture. And then if you want some added protein, we've also got some low-fat, zero-sugar yogurt. So first, I'm gonna do the teacher prep part. I've got all my clean utensils and I have clean fruits here. So I'm gonna give my kids a quarter of an apple. I'm using my teacher knife here and I'm gonna cut the seeds out of my apple and give them that whole quarter in their bowl. I'm gonna give them half a banana, a handful of grapes, and I'm gonna make them do the hard work in peeling this clementine. And I'll probably just sprinkle a few raisins on top of their fruit salad. I don't think I'm gonna use the yogurt today, but I'm gonna save that for another really neat experiment. So I'm gonna give them their child knife and show them the correct way to hold it and show them how to just cut it into different sized pieces. They get to choose. Then comes the fun part. Once everything is cut and in their bowl, they're gonna mix it up and then you can always sing, fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Have fun cooking.